up to the shop right now. We're gonna get this stuff going, and I'm gonna kind of show you guys how to do it. We're gonna weld these on. These are not bolt-on, and I'm also trying to fight airbags in this. So it'll be interesting to see how they line up with U-bolts going around the axle, but we're gonna find out and get these things put on today. All right, guys, this is where we're at. We've got the fresh powder coat ground off on those, the axles, the axle brackets, and under here, try to get under here. I've already ground off the axle tube, taken off the airbag bolt, and I'm upside down and done the frame. The other side's done as well. So me and Alec are gonna get over here and hold these up, get them tacked in place, and get them welded up, and see if we can't make them fit with these U-bolts. If not, we'll make some new ones. Guys, we got them tacked in. Alec had to help me. Kind of a process, but they are tacked in, they are set. I just got a whole bunch of welding. Fast forward like 4 hours, I'm home, the bars are installed and done, and I've got them all taped up. I've got to paint all the welds, and what little powder coat we had to grind off, I got to cover that back up so that it doesn't rust. So got it all painted, taped up, gonna get painted. Alright guys, you saw me paint it, and it's done. Looks good. I got all the paint on there. The rears are done. Traction bars are fine. The truck is extremely filthy. My neighbor's over there sanding. So, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully gonna make some more for you guys, and catch you guys later.